Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. And today we are going to create this awesome and cool website using HTML and CSS only. If you want to have a look at the entire screenshots, you can download the screenshot from the description of this video. The screenshots are of three types. One is for the desktop, second one is for the tablet, and third one is for the mobile, so that you can have a look and you can see how this website is going to behave in different types of display. So anyways, let's have a look at the website first. First of all, we have this cool hovering effect in which there is a line drawn up on the name of the link that you can see, a small line. It is a small animation. This is a pretty simple navigation bar, but it is not that simple also. It is multi-level. You can see that when we hover on the level 1 link, we have this level 2, then we hover on the level 2 and we get the level 3 link as well. Similarly, we have a button, and with this button we have a pulsing effect when we hover over it. Let's scroll down a little bit, and then you can see we have this cool cover image. On top of the cover image we have some text, which is the title of the website, and some more subtitles beneath it and above it. Then we have these three boxes, a box kind of design. In these boxes you can put any sort of information that you want to put. It is totally up to you. You can even have images instead of the text. Then we have this cool image grid. If you want, you can have 3 images in all the rows or 2 images in all the rows. Then on hovering, we have this cool hovering effect over the images. Then let me scroll down a little bit more. Then we have this simple text area where you can put some simple text, or if you want you can add some images here also, it doesn't matter. Then scroll down a little bit more. Then we have this 2x2 grid system. In this we have an image next to some text, very simple. Then we have this little parallax scrolling effect, and then we have these 3 panels. The panels have some hovering effect, and also the images which are inside the panels, they have hovering effect of themselves also. Then we have the buttons, and buttons have the usual that pulsing effect as well. Let's scroll down a little bit more. Then we have this text section, once again a grid text section with a parallax scrolling effect with the image. And also you can see that in the text the index number of the paragraph is enlarged. It is behind the heading of the paragraph, and it is quite big, so it is kind of a new design. Then scrolling down a little bit more, we have this our team panels or cards. In this one also we have some kind of hovering effect. Then scrolling down to the bottom of the website, we have the simple footer. Very simple yet very intuitive. We just have the basic features in the footer. If you want to add some more paragraphs or some more information, some more links, you can do that as well. And in the right bottom corner we have this scroll to the top button. We click on the button and the top of the page is displayed. We can say this was the desktop version of the website. Now let's have a look at the tablet version as well as the mobile version of the website. That is, now let's see how the website is going to behave in different screen size. So you can see that in small screens the boxes are aligned on top of each other instead of next to each other. In the text area also, the left half of the text area is in the top, and in the same way in the rest of the website you can see everything has changed. The orientation of all the sections have changed because the size of the screen is too small and we cannot afford to have too much panels or too much text in the width of the screen. So that was pretty much the introduction, and now let's jump to the coding part, so which is going to be very interesting. So stay back, sit tight and get ready for the rest of the tutorial.